Friends, as a poet, I am sensitive to people's sorrow and pain. The self-composed poem that I am going to share with you today expresses the agony of those unfortunate people who are deprived of not one or two but multiple pleasures of life. The poem is entitled Life Imprisonment. It is not actual imprisonment in life. It is life imprisonment out of actual prison. We were imprisoned for life before we were born by our destiny when God engraved bold lines of bad luck on our palms. We were allowed to grow, study, and learn the virtues of life, of mankind and the world, but were not allowed to reap the rewards of these, not allowed to enjoy marital bliss, not allowed a sound career, not allowed to let our talents bloom with all their fragrance, not allowed to let our intelligence reach out to the world, not allowed to enjoy the joys of relationships, not allowed the peace of a comfortable home, not allowed name or fame, not allowed to enjoy sound health or wealth, caged birds with beautiful wings, not allowed to fly or even flap their wings. Those birds are still lucky, at least can breathe from between the sleeks of the cage bars. We were not fortunate enough. We were pushed behind multiple layers of prisons, living corpses, partially strangled, suffocated, every moment a struggle for existence, every moment in fear of the next moment, hurricanes and typhoons slashing through us each moment, having forgotten that there exists in the dictionaries a word called freedom. Fate has already dug our grave, and time, which has shown little mercy on us, is steadily pushing us towards the grave. Life without life and death without death is our only achievement and the biggest experience of our life. Life without life and death without death is our only achievement and the biggest experience of our life. Thank you, friends. It was a sad poem, but if you can identify with the pain in it, please share it with your friends, press a like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave your comments in the comment box. I'll meet you again with another beautiful composition of mine. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye.